Constipation is common among inactive adults, but it can affect anyone mainly due to unhealthy diet or old age. Can olive oil be a good home remedy that can help with constipation fast? The answer is yes. Olive oil is good for constipation. In this video we will look at what is the best type of olive oil for constipation and how to use it. If you have not passed your stools for more than 3 times in a week, then you are constipated. Or if your stools are hard and difficult to pass, then also it is considered constipation. Under both types of constipation, olive oil can help to get relief. Although it is a traditional home remedy, scientific researchers have also found it useful in constipation relief. A 2014 study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found olive oil useful in treating symptoms of constipation in the short term. Now let's look at how to use olive oil for constipation relief. Always use extra virgin olive oil as it does not contain any processing chemicals and is the most effective. Links are given in the description box if you want to know more about extra virgin olive oil. The best way to relieve constipation is to drink 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil early in the morning, empty stomach. Don't eat or drink anything for the next 1 hour. Another effective method is to take lemon juice with olive oil to relieve constipation. Add 1/4 tablespoon of lemon juice to a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and mix well. Consume this lemon olive oil mix empty stomach early in the morning. Olive oil is a safe remedy for constipation, so you can use it 2 to 3 times in a day. People who add olive oil to their salads and breakfast cereal generally do not get constipation. It acts as a preventive remedy. Bottom line, olive oil is good for constipation and is a safe remedy. You can use it often. If olive oil does not resolve your constipation, then consult a doctor who can investigate and treat the underlying cause of constipation. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.